Hi everyone, just a quick add-on for the render output manager. You can now create easily a mask for your on your shader tree. So you can just select your material and right click, and now you can create mask output. And now you can it asks you if you want to add a suffix like a mask or something else. If you put it that way, it just take the name of each one. So I just add mask to it easy to see on the render. So now, like you see here, I have all my mask for the with the name with the material. So now, if I just launch a render, so it's not the best best view, but yeah, it's work. So now, if you look on your render output, I have all my mask create for each element. So really nice, small to speed up your workflow. All right, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.